friends, this is Dr. Abdekayam Chimthanawala. Today I would like to share one of the case that came to me with a very typical symptom, and he had taken a lot of medicines, homeopathy, allopathy, Ayurveda, but he had no change. I would like to add here that sometimes what happens that we are prejudiced. If this is the medicine, then this has to be a symptom. This medicine is given in this disease. That's why normally we fail in cases where we should not fail. That is what I experienced in my practice. This patient came with a simple symptom. He said, "Doctor Sahab, I have pain in my tongue. मुझे जबान में बहुत दुखता है." So he had this symptom for the past 3 to 4 months. The only symptom was there was pain in the tongue. So he was advised a lot of tests. He was advised test by surgeons, by MD doctor medicines, and all reports were normal. So he was put on B12. He was put on vitamins, calcium tablet, because there was no pathology involved. The only symptom was he had pain in the tongue. So I told him, any other symptom you have? डॉक्टर साहब, नहीं, सिर्फ दांत दुखती, जबान में दुखता है. मैंने होम्योपैथी भी खाया बट इतना आराम नहीं पड़ा मुझे, तो आप उसको ठीक करिए. He was not ready to tell any other symptom. So I then started asking him to define the pain in what is the type of pain in the tongue. And he said, डॉक्टर साहब, अपन जब किसी को बहुत मारते हैं हाथ पे पैर पे तो कैसा लगता है? मुझे वैसी जबान में लगता है. इसलिए का जबान दर्द करती है, कभी कभी तो ऐसी हाथ लगाने में दुखती है. दैट मीन्स ही वाज टेलिंग कि द पेन इज एज इफ व्हेन यू हिट समबडी on the body, on the hands, on the feet. How does that part pain? It is the same pain which I have on my tongue. So he was defining the pain, and that is important. He said, I said, anything else you have in the body? He said, sir, whenever I am passing urine, this area, the bladder area, the lower part of area feels very cold. I told him, can you describe the symptom again? He said, बहुत ठंडा लगता है यूरिन पास करने के टाइम पे. So I asked him whether the urine is cold. He said, no, the urine is normal, but I have a cold feeling in the bladder when I pass the urine. And whenever I go in the sun, I am itching in the body, especially on the chest. So only this was the symptom that the patient was narrating. So if you see this case, itching on the upper part of the body, or itching mostly here, it was everywhere, but main on the chest, and maybe more in the summer, he said. So I thought maybe it was prickly heat as such. These were the only symptom the patient came and told me. And the description of symptom I told you, he had pain in the tongue, and the pain was as if it was bitten, in the language of the patient. And there was cold sensation in the bladder with passing urine or without passing urine. Another symptom was itching all over the body, more on the upper part of the body. Now if you go and try to treat the symptoms, you can get a lot of drugs. You can also get Natromur. You can take a drug of pain in the tongue, Condurango also. You can get other polygress drugs also, like Calcaricab. You can get Lacasis. But these drugs do not have the symptom that the patient narrated, bitten, as if the tongue is bitten. The type of pain here was very important. Of course, apart from that, the itching, more on the upper part of the body. This was the main symptom which I thought was very important for prescription. So of course, I had that limited scope of symptom, and the patient was not ready to tell the symptom, because he came to me just because somebody had referred and told that this doctor might help you. So when I repertorized this case, I had only 3 to 4 symptoms repertorized. That is, pain in the tongue as if beaten, cold sensation in the bladder, and prickly heat more in the upper part of the body. And friends, to my utter surprise, if you also see this case, if you also see this in the Mater Medica, the drug that came in the repertory chart was absolutely surprising. I never thought of this drug to prescribe in this condition. Can you guess the drug? Yes, the drug was Cesium jumbolinum. Cesium jam. Jamun jo khate hum. And we have a fixed idea that Cesium jumbolinum is a very good drug for diabetes. So we only think about diabetes. But my friends, here we make a mistake. If we are prejudiced, we can never be a good practitioner. So if you repetize this case, the only drug that came was Cesium jumbolinum, and when I opened the Materia Medica, this prickly heat, especially in the upper part of the chest or upper part of the body, was a very important indication of Cesium jumbolinum, with pain in the tongue and pain in the tongue as if bitten, and a cold sensation in the bladder. So this is how you have to take out symptoms from the patient. If he is not ready to give the case, at least define the symptom which the patient is trying to tell you. Don't only think of only pain. Here the pain was as if bitten, and that led me to probe the case, and we came out with Cesium jumbolinum. And my dear friends, I just gave him Cesium jumbolinum 200, one dose on the first day, and called him after a week's time. After a week when he came, look at what he said. Doctor Sahab, the pain is better, but whenever I take any medicine, the pain is better. When I stop the medicine, the pain again comes back. I repeated Cesium jumbolinum 200 again and called him after a month. And the utter surprise of the patient also, and to me also. When he came in the chamber, he said, Doctor Sahab, gone. Gayab ho gaya. There is no pain now. But please do keep repeating the same drug, because I normally get pain when I stop the medicines. So I kept him on placebo for 3 months, and after 3 months I told him, now you can stop the medicine and you can come after 2 months to show me if there is any pain. So he came after 6 months with his daughter for treating his daughter. Then I asked him, where is your pain? Why didn't you come? Yes, sir, there's no pain now. I have forgotten that there was any pain in the tongue. I'm absolutely better and fine. So this is Cesium jumbolinum. So if you want to remember Cesium jumbolinum, apart from diabetes, mellitus, you must remember pain in the tongue as if bitten, cold sensation in the bladder, prickly heat or itching in the upper part of the body, and of course the symptom of diabetes in heat with pricking, or chupta hai patient bolta hai diabetes ke with pricking with diabetes. These are important symptom of Cesium jumbolinum. So today we have seen a very rare drug and a very important indication it is used for. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.